Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the dependency type between two or more tasks on GanttPro. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project on GanttPro first and access one of these views. I will go with the Gantt chart view here. Here to the right, guys, you will see the overview of your tasks and their relations or dependencies displayed, for example, by these connections here. Now, if you'd like to connect or create a new dependency and change the type for it, guys, this is how you can do it. Hover your mouse over the given task, and here to the left and to the right, you will see these two circular handles. Click into one of it and hold your left mouse. And after that, simply drag that handle to the next task's handle. There you go. And once it attaches to that second handle here, simply release your left mouse to create the connection or dependency. There you go. Now, if you'd like to change the type of that dependency, guys, you will need to access your task settings. To do that, click into the given task. Here, for example. And here to the right, you will see the task dependencies in that overview, which is the one which is created here. So what you want to do, guys, is click into the given task. Let me create, for example, a new one. And after that, you will see the task, the dependency type here. There are the following dependency types: finish to start, finish to finish, start to finish, or start to start. And you can go with one of these. You can only select one of them. And once it's done, guys, click into save. And that is going to apply the dependency type also visually here on your overview. And that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.